Ayan na si paring lover na. Namiss niyo ba si paring lover?
Hindi. Namiss ba? Namiss? Ilang araw din yan.
Oo nga, ilang araw tayo ano. Bukod sa absent ako ng 2 araw, late ang tawag doon? Late na yung biyahe. Kasi gabi
Nag-live
na
yata,
ako.
isang gabi na nag-live ka.
Pero inabot na alas 12. Marami ka daw utang paring lover ngayon.
Last trip yung biyahe.
Oh, last trip na kaya punuan yon.
Panakit ka.
Okay, bahala ka na dyan. Alam mo na mga kiliti ng mga yan. Alright, sige, may heart R. Thank you so much. Balik ka ulit pag may time ka na ulit. Permission. Malamig talaga yan. Nung nalaglag kasi yan, kumain ng ice cream. Always welcome, my R. Hi, Tatay Roy. Good evening. Pag nalaglag at natumba, bangon ulit. Kapit lang. Mary Jean, good evening sa'yo.
Ay.
Isa rin si parin lover. Gumapang.
Ay, nangyari.
Paring Tatay Roy. Busy daw si Tatay Roy. Sige, sakay ka lang sa ating bus.
Traffic
Tatay
ang mga
Roy.
internet. Traffic.
Oo nga, no? Ilang araw na daw yung ganyan.
Kaya nga eh. Ano ba yung PLDT? PLDT ako eh.
PLDC.
PLDT.
Wala ka din.
Converge ako eh, converge. Damay-damay na daw. You're say girl, good evening sa iyo and welcome sa ating bus line. Hi Gamski, good evening, welcome back.
Pero okay naman yung signal ko dito. TikTok.
Okay naman sa video mo, yung ng accompaniment lang.
Siguro. Mahina.
Kaya kailangan lalo sa ating mga nagtotoktik, di ba? Kailangan natin mag-invest din sa magandang internet connection. Kailangan talaga kasi ang hirap pagka yung paputol-putol, di ba?
Nakabitin.
Pwede kang umakyat paring Paulo. Ayaw mo ba kaming katabi? Naligo naman kami. Yan, busina ka lang paring lover pag ready na.
Naglalaglagan talaga sila.
Oo nga eh.
Na internet. Ano yan sa Pilipinas?
Nahigop po yata yung mga internet nyo ngayong gabi.
Kaya pala eh.
Pasensya na, nahigop po yata. Welcome 37 million passengers. Yan, ang dami nating sakay ngayon. Yan pa sa 37, 38 million na yan. Meron bang gustong kumanta? Alright, Gamski, request ko lang, Gamski.
Nag-40 plus na
Nag-40
kanina.
plus. Nag-40 plus. Gamski, request ka lang. Anong gusto nyo? Ibabalik ko na yung mga internet nyo. Ako na lang yung brown out. Okay na paring lover. Ay. Hi Miss Jel, good evening. Welcome 42 million passengers. Hanggang second floor, hanggang third floor yung ating bus, kaya kasyang-kasya lahat ng pasahero natin. Yan, welcome Ilocana. Siguro taga Ilocos to. Narish Su, yun. Yan, meron pa tayong pasaherong Koreano. Marie Angeline, good evening sa'yo. Sa mga R120, akit na agad. Yun, Ate Glo, good evening. Nakasakay na rin si Ate Glo. Crazy.
This is real life for my little trial ride.
Kung saan tayo dalhin ang ating mga gulong?
Am I all alone on this endless
Yan, quick check lang mga busmates. Sino dito ang nagsabing sandali lang pero umabot ng 1 hour? Diba yung sabing ano, oy, sandali lang, makikisakay lang. Pero umabot na 1 oras, no? Pati si paring naon, nalaglag din. Nagkakalaglagan na. Ibalik kahit nagkaalaglagan, walang iwanan dito. Hindi kayo may iwan sa biyahe. Diyan lang kayo sa baba, mag-comment yan. Kuya, Jose.
Walang request.
Kala ko si... Oh,
Diyan
wala
lang
nga
muna
request
po
pero...
kayo ha. I-upload na
po
po
kayo.
natin yung R1.
Baba mo na muna ako, Miss Jo. Maring Jo.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up and
Hi, Trumi. Good evening and pretty girl. Welcome sa ating bus line.
we do this for?
Tuwing gabi ang ating biyahe.
You come
Kaya kung pauwi ka galing trabaho, pwede ka sumabay.
keep telling myself that I should let
Kung nasa galaan ka, pwede ka rin sumama sa ating biyahe. Hi, Rapi Marciano. Good evening and welcome. Kakagats Gaming. Yan.
we got that night
Sino dito yung ano? Yung sabi,
that side.
sandali lang pero inabot ng 1 hour. Type present kung guilty. Hi, good evening Arzu. From where si Arzu? Saan ka sumakay para masingil ng tama? Libre ang ating ano ha, libre ang ating pamasahe. Ang bayad, hindi pala libre. May bayad ang ating pagsakay. Ang bayad dito ay yakap. Dot, yakap, repost, and share, syempre. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nag-repost. Appreciated. Pwede ka rin mag-comment para alam pong nandyan pa kayo.
See and the world disappears.
Yes, keep on sharing the ride. Yayain ng kaibigan, kamag-anak. Yan. Ang mga K-system.
Stay right here. You push me out but I come back. That attraction.
Paring Labert, okay na ba?
Keep
Okay na ba ang iyong internet? Bumalik na.
hold on.
Ah?
Cellphone.
Cellphone ang...
Yung nalolo ko laptop. Ito cellphone.
laptop ang naglolo ko. Pero okay ng internet. Mahirap nga yun ano, pag wala kang accompaniment. Always welcome, Kakagats Gaming. And Banji Talavera, welcome sa'yo. One and done. Alright, sige, subukan natin yan.
Nila malaman tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay awesome na. Okay naman.
Okay.
Sa'yo pa
Hello, Gamski. Request ka, Gamski, ha?
para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil sa
Wala namang requirement yung request natin.
dahil ikaw
Hi, Sugar.
ay hindi na.
Uy, Marie Chandy. Nandito ka na. Good evening sa'yo. Who's Diday?
Na ako'y masaya kahit ang
Plastic Man. Good evening.
talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata may
Comment kayo kung kayo R1 or R2, ha? Hello, Maring Chandy, busmate. Lady M, welcome and good evening.
Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin nasisisi na bulagan ako
ang totoo.
Wala na at bumukas Mulan ng aking mata May mahal ng iba Wala na akong magagawa Di ba Saan ako nagkamali Di ko maintindihan Kung sino pa nagmamahal Siya pang naiiwan Siya pang naiiwan
Hi, Hotel Era.
At ang hirap magpapagal
Yan si paring Gino, mga busmates. Mare, gawin ng 20 para makaakit na yung R1 natin. Yan si Maldita. Yes, keep on sharing the rides. Comment lang.
May mahal ka ng iba Wala na akong magagawa Di ba?
Oh, yun, naitawid.
O, di ba? Wala naging okay na.
Para-parala talaga.
Hi, Maring Orange and Manny. Good evening. Welcome sa ating bus line. Sama na sa ating biyahe tonight. Alright, Rowena Beso. Uy, busmate, kung nandiyan ka pa, solid. Solid ka. Hindi lahat ng umaabot ng ganitong oras, ha? Yung iba talagang pagsakay, tumatalon agad. Kaya kung ang buhay pa ang diwa mo, comment ka ng gising pa. Sige nga. At i-share mo na rin itong live natin para para may baka may gusto pang sumakay sa biyahe natin tonight. Ayun. Thanks sa pagpaakyat, boss. Bababa ka na, kakagats. Gaming. Bumaba na pala. Alright, yung may mga arwang pa dyan, ha? Huwag kayong mahiya. And welcome sa ating mga bagong busmate. Pakilala lang kayo saan kayo na sumakay ngayon. Hello JD, good evening. Betsen, ayan si Betsen. Kahapon sumakayan si paring Betsen. Kakanta pa si paring Betsen. Gising na gising pa pare. Oh. Hindi ka pwedeng matulog paring Paulo. Baka may makasalisi. Hi James Razel Roda, welcome and good evening. Sino pa ang mga gising dyan? Baka mukhang tulog na. Time check 8:09. Hi Senal. Yung mga bagong sumakay sa ating VIP seat, gawin nyo ng 20 para naman yung susunod na batch makakit din. Last stretch na tayo mga busmates. Kung kakapasok mo lang, sakto ka pa. Hanggang alas 9 tayo, may oras pa tayo. Magparamdam ka naman dyan. Drop ka ng habol ako para makita kita bago tayo bumaba sa terminal mamaya. Comment mo lang, habol ako. Shining. Yan, good evening sa'yo, Shining. Hello mga mare natin dyan sa panel. Sino yung nagkukwentuhan? Yung jowa ako. Ito, para sa inyo. There are no words to say. What I feel in my heart. You on my mind night and day. And it hurts me when we're apart. When you're not here evening, Maring Orange. Well, now I can see everything when I look in your eyes. No, things never are what they seem. There is one thing that I realize, that there's no doubt in my mind. We can make this love go on forever. I guess I'm crazy, crazy for you. Can't you see? And although you make it crazy, here is where I'll always be. And I need you with me, 'cause you are the dream that finally came true in me. And all my life there'll be no one else. If I live all my life, there could be no one else. For the rest of my life, all I need is you. Hi, Michelle. Pares Maher, good evening and welcome back. 56 point, ano to? 60.4K. Gawin na natin yung 100 ulit hanggang alas 9. Kaya-kaya niyo yan. Hi, Koy Saray and Joven. Welcome and good evening. Yan, hingi lang ako ng konting share and repost para tuloy-tuloy ang ating biyahe. At comment mo lang kung saan ka sumakay ngayon para ma-shoutout ka ni Ma'am Driver. Kumusta sino yung mga pauwi sa biyahe? Sa pauwi galing work? Ngayong araw ng Friday. Oy, Friday na. Kaya pala, ang daming sumama sa ating biyahe kasi uwian na. Bukas yung iba walang pasok, di ba? Hi, Francis Rosales. Isang magandang gabi. And Aidni Jimenez, welcome sa ating bus line. Yeah, sakay na. Bumalik ang ating biyahe mula sa ilang araw na late at absent. Ngayon may isang awitin na naman si Paring Lover. Ayan, Paring Lover, bahala ka na ulit sa kanila.
Okay.
Hello guys, I'm back with the 3. Ayan, si Paring Kuya Art. Yung mga gusto makijamming, welcome ha. Wala namang judges dito.
Still I cannot let my heart stop knowing that I'm losing
Siza, good evening, and Enigma, thank you so much.
It is said and done, then someone tell me why. So I can find a word to say goodbye.
Meron na ba tayo diyang mga waiter, mga waitress? Si Maring Chinita, pwede ka na mag-serve. Bubuksan na natin ang ating exotic bar, yung ating mobile exotic bar and restaurant. Baka may order dyan yung mga table na ano. Table number 2 kay Kuya Arn 3. Anong order mo?
I'd rather hear the truth than how we
Namiss niyo ba yung
so I try
kamoting sabog?
I can find
Payakap si Maring Joan. Great, good evening sa'yo.
I have to go. There's no other way. But goodbye is not that I can bring myself to say.
Mukhang order ni Paring Paulo Crab.
What's all I see?
Alimango ba yan? Alimango. Hi, Karen Moto. Welcome back. Paring Paulo, binuksan natin kasi habang may kumakantang singer, pwede kayong umorder sa ating mobile resto bar na naandito rin sa loob ng ating bus line. Ang daming table nito. Nasa third floor ng ating bus yung ating exotic bar and resto. Apat na ano daw ang order ni Paring Paulo. Apat na limasag. Tsaka isang bucket. Samahan ba natin ng kanin? Food trip yun. Alright, thank you so much, Paring Lover. Diba? Napakagandang awitin, tamang-tama sa ating bar. Exotic bar. Kaya,
Tagay na yan, tagay na.
eto na.
Tagay na. Cheers. Okay, thank you.
Cheers. Tubig muna tayo. Kailangan natin ng magpakalasing o magpakabusog. Pareho yan. Mahirap sumuka pag walang laman ng tiyan. Ito naman, para sa inyo to. Bahala na. Hi, Maring Jenna Bonso.
Once in your life you find someone who turns your heart around, and next thing you know you're closing down the town. Wake up and it's still with you, even though you left me way across town. I walk into your side. You what I found.
Oy, Maring Eds.
And now it's crazy, but it's true. Even the gap between the morning and sea, the best that you can do. All of this life is master stars, and deep in his heart it's just a boy living his life one day at a time. He's showing us a really good time. He's loving about the way you want it to be. When you go between the moon and New York City, and now it's crazy, but it's true. If you go between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is what
Reds. Kahit huli man daw, huli pa din. Huli man at magaling, huli pa din. Yan, thank you so much sa pagsama ngayong gabi. Ayan, humabol ang ating isang servidora. Yan, order na kayo dito sa ating exotic bar, mobile exotic bar sa loob ng ating bus line.
I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you got between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love.
Hi Mama Bear!
I know it's crazy, but it's true. Between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love, is fall in love.
Hey, join me! Kev Shop. Welcome Kev Shop and Sony. And welcome sa ating bus line. Welcome ang mga jammers natin habang umu-order ang ating mga bisita ngayong gabi. Mga pasahero, meron tayong mobile bar and restaurant dito na nakasakay sa ating Big Finds PH bus line. Pa-join daw si Sony. Sure, Sony. Saan mo gusto mag-join? Join ka sa kantahan? Join ka sa aakyat sa ating VIP seat. Okay ka na, Kuya Arn? Ready? Next ulit si Paring Lover, ha? Or kung sino yung mga gusto maki-join.
Ang tagal nating nawala, ang tagal kong di kumanta. Pero nakikita niyo ba yan?
Wow, sarap niya. Yakapin
Wala
niyo
nito
pa ba
sa
si
TikTok
Sari?
eh.
Parang gusto ko niyang kapartner nung nandito ko, ah.
Meron ako niyan.
Hindi nang pwedeng ipakita sa camera, eh.
Baka ma-share na naman tayo.
Baka tayo mapalo na naman ni Lolo. Alam mo naman si Lolo, may init na ang ulo nun.
Oo.
Sige.
Pero chill-chill lang tayo. Guys,
Yes.
this is for you. Okay ba yung yung sound, yung mic?
Okay.
Di ba malakas?
Sakto lang sa akin.
Enjoy lang, chill lang sa bus.
Yan. Order na kayo.
Don't give us on us, babe.
Isang platitong maninga sa table number 6. Hi, Ma'am Michelle. Thank you so much. Rose Nemenzo.
Just one night.
Mami Ace. Ano ba? Mami Ace.
In the moonlight.
Chill ride lang dito para tayo nasa bus.
On
Pero yung bus natin, iba-iba. May wish bus. Pwede kumanta, pwede sumayaw, pwede mag-party. Pwede umorder ng mga exotic
Don't give us on
foods.
us, babe.
Siyempre lahat yan, virtual lang. Imagination.
No cry. I know it will last long, but it's for a rainy
Pwede makijaming, Mami G-Ace. Mami Ace ba yan? Mami Ace o Mami Ace? Thank you so much, Jojo. Marion Garcia, welcome.
I really lost it at last night. You got
Iwasan mo na Maring Edge yung RH. Nakakalaki ng bilbil yun. Mag-hard na lang.
so
Di ba Maring Lucy? Tama ba ako?
don't give us on us, baby. Lord knows where.
Sayang ang 10 kilometrong takbo araw-araw.
Can't we stay the way we are?
Lumaki na lang talaga ba?
The angel and the dream.
Welcome, just be quiet.
would sometimes play a fool. Don't give us on a sign of
Okay lang naman pa isa-isang ano lang,
and still call
isang litro. Gamitan mo ng straw. O baka may order ng RH yan. Straw lang ang pwedeng gamitin. Wala tayong baso.
It's written in the moonlight and painted on the sky.
Yung nasa table number 6, walang pangalan, kundi crab lang. Ikaw si crab. Krusty Krab ba to? Yes. Gamski is back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Balakubak. Sa punta mare.
For a rainy day,
Saan napunta maring Jo?
the stars are few. Don't give us on a sign of we could still come true.
O sige.
Don't give us on us, baby. Don't give us on us, baby.
Ay mga R1 na, huwag kayo mahiyang mag-request. Make sure na nakayakap kayo kay Mamang Driver. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung ating butot. 71.9, gawin nating 100. Pataas hanggang alas 9.
Kaya yan.
Ano ko yan? Magsa-side B ka o papahinga muna si paring lover mo?
After ni paring lover.
Okay, paring lover. Banatan mo na. Mukhang kakain ng mani si Kuya Arn. Ano ba yan? Mani o kasoy?
Mani, pero mamaya na, pagkatapos baka sumabit eh. Kaya.
Oo nga, no? We're fine, Sir Paras. How about you, brother? Busmate? Mapaparami inom yan pagka ganyan ang kantahan. Buti hindi pa ako naiihi. Hi May, good evening. At sa 22 million passengers natin tonight.
I should have known love is harder than us.
Walang kupas daw.
A song I never heard.
Ano ba yung ano? Yung minention mo kung Maring Jo? Si paring lover mo ba yan?
You lie inside, but you love me. I don't believe the world, not to walk and give us paradise when you make it wrong to me. Till I just couldn't see the light. As long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you.
Diba? Baka paring lover yarn.
I will let you down. Know that love will keep us when you turn around. I believe in when you till the ocean turn to sand.
Baka may mga request songs kayo dyan. Yan, good evening, Tandy. Maring Tandy.
don't believe
Hi, Lay Shop. Good evening. And sa 30 million passengers natin tonight.
It was paradise in the eye within the storm.
Hi, Pretty Maldita.
Make it through the night as long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you. And you and So don't believe the wall, not to walk in give us paradise in the eye within the storm. When I just couldn't make it through the night, as long as I got you, as long as you got me, as long as we got you. You and you.
Alright, thank you so much, paring lover. Sinong gustong makijamming tonight? Habang umiinom ng malamig na bakit? Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Yan. Eto, subukan naman natin to yung...
Dayan.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard to try.
Sino yan?
Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. No, time will develop a thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the
Paborito
day.
ni
The
Maring Jo.
clock takes life away. It's so real. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but didn't even know. Wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time.
I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. It's like the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering other times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so thick on the way we were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the you kept everything.
Ay, good morning. Ay, good morning agad kay Maring Tanda.
What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried.
Tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you. Push as far as I can go. But all this is only one thing you should know. I put my trust in you. Push as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Alright, thank you so much. Alam kong paborito yan ni Maring Jo. Hope you enjoy it. Alright. Ay, paring Jackson, good evening. Si Maring Irish nandito rin, no? Yan, thank you so much sa pagsama ngayong gabi. Yan, hindi pa end kasi mayroon pa tayong ilang minuto, mga 15 minutes pa. Parang after ni paring Lover, parang kakantayat si Kuya Art, inagawan ko pala, no? Ay, Maring Lady Boss, alam ko di ka makakakanta kasi gabi na naman. Sabi mo aswang ako eh.
Or maybe, you can extend the live.
Pwede naman. Pero hindi, sige, pwede naman mga ilang minuto or mga 30 minutes. Kaya lang, maaga tayong kailang matulog. Gawa na maaga rin tayo bukas gigising.
Oh, okay lang. Extend ka ng 30 minutes and 2 hours.
Request po ng host ng song. Anong song, paring Jackson? Baka may nakakaalam sa ating mga marriage paring bassmate. O nga pala, evening pala dyan sa Pinas. Opo, maring na Tandy. 8:41 PM ang oras dito sa Pilipinas. Saang bansa ba si Maring Tandy ngayon? Paring Jackson, ilagay mo lang yung yung request na song. Maring Irish. USA.
Soldier of Fortune.
Soldier of Fortune. Sino may gusto? O sino may alam?
Ako gusto
Kaya mo
kong
tirahin
marinig
niya, paring Lover?
kay paring Lover.
Soldier of Fortune.
Kaya mo yan, paring Lover?
Sige, try natin.
Kuya Arn, kakanta ka after ni paring Lover?
Yes, may nakaready na ako.
Sige. Sige, paring Lover. Ikaw muna yung request ni paring Jackson.
Ay.
Si paring Jackson, sa hindi nakakilala, siya isang lingkod ng ating bayan. Isa siyang sundalo. Kaya pala soldier. Yan, good morning sa iyo, Maring Tandy from USA. Sige, Maring Eds, mamaya after ni Kuya Arn.
Lay with me in love, and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older,
Hi, Gina Bacalso.
and
Good evening.
I'm song echoing a distance like a sound of a windmill going round. Yes, I always be a shoulder for sure. Time's been a trouble. I look for something new in this whole life. I wonder if I will keep you there to my eyes. I see you standing here. To blind and confusing. It's sure that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echoing a distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I always be a soldier for sure. I can hear the sound of the windmill going around. Yes, I always be a
Alright, mga bassmate.
soldier for sure.
Ayun naman ang share and repost. Yan, 80.5K. Konting dot at maki-comment. Buto fans, good evening and welcome. Alright, paring lover, thank you so much. It's your turn. Kuya Arn. Yung naka-ready mo dyan. Nakamute ka pa, Kuya Arn, ha? Nakamute ka. Wala ka pang audio.
Ayan, meron na.
Okay na.
Ayan. Ayun, thank you so much. Doon sa ating mga bagong busmate na hindi pa nakilala sa akin, please follow lang po and pakipasyalan po yung aking dalawang account. Itong account na to, tsaka yung main. Thank you so much. This is for you guys.
Alright, paring yan, Jackson. Sige, paring Jackson.
Welcome to Via Verse Karaoke.
Yan, unahin mo ang iyong kailangang unahin. Welcome, Perdible. May dalawang Perdible.
I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams are shining, missing shore, and they calling you away. I have the right to stay. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. Doesn't really matter. Somewhere down the road, I know that all of yours will come to see. But you with sometimes goodbyes are meant forever. Doesn't matter if you're gone, I still believe in us together. I am saying all that I think I can. You have to go on your own so you can find your way back home. And somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. Doesn't really matter. But somewhere down the road, I know that all of yours will come to see. With it's just another way to say love you so. We have the right love that we maybe we maybe the best is yet to
Hi, Mara. Good evening.
Cause somewhere down the road,
William and Ellen. Ay, pinsan, Ellen and Mikey from, all the way from Canada. Kumusta? Meron ka rin palang account. Ay, nandito ako ngayon kaya hindi kita nasagot agad. Naka-live.
Hindi ko
Alright,
alam
Kuya
kung-
Arn, thank you so much.
Hindi ko alam kung tama yung blending ng company tsaka yung mic.
Okay lang naman. Okay lang naman. Wait lang ha. Yayakapin ko lang yung mga
Sure.
nakayakap sa akin. Yayakapin ko lang yung mga nakayakap sa akin. Yayakapin ko lang yung mga paulit-ulit ah. Yakap sa akin. Yayakapin ko lang yung mga paulit-ulit ah. Yakap sa akin. Yayakapin ko lang yung mga paulit-ulit ah. Ayun. May sumakay pala na ano. Naka-open. Okay. Yung request naman ni Maring nagpalit kasi pangalan Maring Glow eh. Maring Eds yan. Hi Maring Irish. Kamusta yung ano ko? Company ko. Malakas.
I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I pretend to let you go.
Thank you so much, Maring Eds.
And where you ever what you see, or was I a fool who fell in love with his own dream? And now you say you want to leave, start a new life today. Those words I thought you'd never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hope what you'd be right. Tomorrow I pretend to find and put it all behind me. We can find that I have found new life in my soul, and find that I know how to let you go.
sabi na may sabit eh.
I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I pretend to wake and put it all behind me and find that I know how to let you go.
Sumabit, ang bilis ng gitarista ko eh. Kahit isang rock lang, mare. Alright, paring lover. Ayan, may love-love na yung iyong nagpalit na ng profile si paring lover.
Request.
Oh. Ano request?
Request
Request. Express.
para
Ay,
sa-
ikaw ba? Sige.
Ano lang, medyo, alam mo yung pag-diesel, pinainit
Oh.
mo, tuloy-tuloy.
Oh, sige. Wala namang problema. Wala namang bayad ng kumanta.
Wala mo, pero gusto ko lang, nag-iinit kasi. Alam mo na yun.
Okay lang. Basta yung init sa kanta. Nobody's perfect. That's okay po. Still the best para yun. Thank you so much, Maring Eds. Ang bilis kasi talaga mang tugtog ng gitarista. Akala ko yung chill lang eh. Hinahabol ko yan. Sumabit tuloy. Pasarado na natin. Oh, 89.1K. Sarado na natin ng 100.
konti na lang,
Mga
guys.
pare. Oo. Yan, good evening sa mga
Pagtulungan
bago
na
sakay at
natin
sa
yan.
15 million
Pagkaisahan
passengers.
natin yan.
Morante, Terilon, good evening sa yan. Welcome. Yan, ngayon si parang Kuya Arn kakanta. Nagiinit daw eh. Mukhang may ginawa ka habang ikay naka-off cam ah.
Ako? Ako ba yun?
Oh. Oh.
Wala naman. Alam mo na yun.
Hindi makinali si paring lover sa kanyang profile picture. Superman naman ngayon. Kanina may heart na eh. Mukhang
Kaya
nilipad ka na paring lover ah.
Kaya nami-miss yan ng mga busmate natin pag wala yan eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ayan, good evening
Ito na,
Maring
ito
Mitch.
na para sa inyo.
Yan ang bagay sa'yo, paring lover. Humina yung kanta. Yung mic,
Ako? Ako pa rin?
hindi ako talaga. Hindi, ikaw.
Ayan. Isa pa. Please. Please.
Sige. Init na init si Kuya Arn kumanta, sige. Laksan mo konti. Malinaw siya kaso mahina.
Day after day, I must face the world of strangers.
94.1K.
I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to.
Kuya Arn, may nagrereklamo, ang hina daw.
Palakas lang, please.
When there's no getting over that rainbow.
Ay, good evening, Jovelyn Tesorero. Yan. I-renew mo
Wala,
na
di
yung
ko
badge
marinig
mo.
yung Tom Jones na boses ni Paring Arn.
Kailangan idikit mo yung cellphone, sa tenga.
Tinodo ko na yung volume, wala talaga.
Ako naririnig ko kasi naka-headphone ako kaso mahina talaga.
Malakas.
So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face.
Kuya Arn, laksan mo yung accompany.
It's nice to know that there's someone
Oo nga, Maring Nix.
you're always
At least yung feeling importante, no?
it's all
Napi-feel natin din yung
when there's no getting over that rainbow.
Oo nga, paring Paolo.
When my smallest dream won't come true.
Nakapokus tuloy sa pag-intindi ng boses, hindi makapag-dot-dot tuloy.
Without you,
Wow!
touch me
Andito na yung order ko.
and I end up seeing trouble seems to often disappear.
Ano to?
You touch
Putol eh. Putol talaga.
you're bringing. I can't really lose when you're near my
Parang Lover, kayo muna kumanta. Andito yung order ko eh. Kain mo, nakugutom na. Ang tawag dito? Ayan mga maret pare, hot pot. Sarap, ang init.
I found the best when there's
Subukan ko na kayo.
getting over that rainbow.
Crab stick.
Smallest dream won't come true.
Fish topo para sa inyo. Kuya Arn, sa iyo.
Take all the madness the world has to give,
Sarap.
but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over that rainbow.
Beef inoki para kay Maring Jo.
The dream won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world.
Mainit sa sabaw, parang Paulo. Tama-tama.
I won't last a day without you.
Gochujang rice cake.
Gochujang ano?
Gochujang na rice cake.
Uy, meron
Gochujang rice cake.
GMR, mama.
Gochujang flavor.
Sinabi pa no? Meron pumasok na inquiry ng GMR.
Sige, sagutin mo yan.
Thank you. Nagwawa.
Parang Lover.
Parang lover.
Oh, Maring Edge. Ano, gawa ni Mrs.
Ay, kimchi.
Kimchi.
Oo. Hotpot.
Sarap naman yan. Sana
lumakas.
all.
Lumakas na
Hotpot.
boses niya. Lumakas yung boses niya. No?
Deserve
Ayun ang
dahil
mahina.
naka 10 kilometers.
Ano yun?
Mapauwi.
Kailangan bumawi.
Tapos takbo bukas ulit.
Bukas ulit. Araw-araw yan. Yun, Irish.
forever to touch you. 'Cause I know that to be somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I
Oh, Maring
don't
Edge.
wanna go home right now.
Kailangan natin maging healthy living.
All I can take is torment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. And everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. ain't coming for the moment that you realize everything's feel like movies. Yeah, you believe just to know you're alive. Girl, don't see me, 'cause I don't think they understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I
Manghang.
And I don't want to see me, 'cause I don't think they understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Right. Sarap.
Sino next? Nakain ako.
Sunod ko na. Kumakain ka pa naman. Sige. Kapi na bahala ni paring lover.
Mga R1, akit lang kayo ng akit. Sige.
Wala ka na.
Sarap.
Wala ka magawa, no?
Sarap eh.
Sige na ko yan.
She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's soft in the good times. She's down in the bed. Never discouraged. She knows just what to do, but girl, she doesn't know about you. Nakaka-relate ba kayo dyan? I can tell her much news. She makes him all
Okay, Maring Nix, thank you so much. Balik ka agad.
I can make her excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk all tomorrow.
Alright, everybody.
I'll tell things I wanna do, but girl, how can I tell her about you, the other woman? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what you do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you.
Maring Tinita. Sabaw na lang, oh. Para sa itong sabaw na to.
So girl, won't you tell
Ang sarap.
me how to tell her about you?
Pinawisan ako ah.
Tell her I don't miss her.
Rice cake para may kay Maring Chinita.
Never I'm away. How can I say
Nagutom ko rin si Maring Beauty.
every single night and day? But when it's easy telling someone we're true, oh girl, help me tell her about you.
Busok.
How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love. Hindi pa tayo makakanta nito ah.
Isa pa.
Sabi daw, sige.
Sige. Pagpasensya nyo na, paulit-ulit to.
Okay lang yan. Sa FM nga, paulit-ulit din araw-araw eh.
At least nagpaalam ako.
Welcome, Smells Funny. Good evening.
When I feel I was gone mad, I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are.
Oy, Maring Lisa.
I cried this tears on our own. We've been so far, we'd sworn of the moon, and we counted a billion stars. My love, still true.
Kamusta Maring Lisa? May boses ba?
So coming down, someone left me alone, but it's
Meron naman pare, kararating lang. Wala.
Akala ko na mouse kagabi eh.
Me do.
Kumala.
All alone in my heart I don't. There's one thing in
Nakakota na pala tayo ngayon, 104. 105.4.
Wow.
I can't count on
Hi TSLF Gang. Gang.
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where.
Kakanta yan si Maring Lisa.
Looking back, count on you every time to my worry mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would you, long as it's close to you.
Hi Venus 55, good evening and welcome sa Big Finds PH Bus Line. You're still
Dito
listening
sa
to
Bus
Big Finds
Line.
PH Wiz Bus Edition.
Dito sa bus line,
105.6.
chill lang.
Yes.
Enjoy while you can.
Yeah, pare.
Tama.
Alright.
Alright.
Naubos na yata yung ating mani at ano dyan.
Count on you to be there.
Hi, good evening. Emperor.
No questions in the
Hi, Venus. Good evening.
No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worry mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Down, oh down, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Thank you. Yan yung yan yung sinasabi nila na pagka yung diesel, pinaandar mo at nasa kondisyon yung makina, ewan ko, bahala na kayo. Thank you so much.
Kaso mahal ang diesel ngayon.
Gasolina siya eh. Ang iinit eh, no?
Manang Lisa, habol ka.
Habol ako talaga.
Oo. Kasi ano na yun, alas 9:28 na ng gabi.
Oh, anong oras tayo bibiyahe?
Alas 9:30. Kaya may 2 minuto ka.
Ihahabol ko pa talaga to pare. Sige.
Sige.
Para mapagpag yung hinain ko.
Ako'y nabusog eh.
Isip ko'y litong-lito, di ko alam ang gagawin. Hirap ako sa paghuli ng iyong pansin. Kapag nasasalubong ka, dibdib ko'y kakaba-kaba, pati ang tuhod ko'y nalalambot na rin. Hayan na at sumulyap na ang mapupungay mong mata. Kasalanan ko ba ang mapagdala?
16.8.
Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, ano kaya ang nasa isip mo? Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, lagi kang nasa panahon. Isip
Hi,
kita
Chella.
ang charming mong
Saya.
mga mata at ang iyong ngiting walang kasing galing. Hayan lang at sumulyap na ang mapupungay mong mata. Kasalanan ko bang mapatulala?
Nag-concert kasi. Nag-ano.
Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, ano kaya ang nasa isip mo? Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, lagi kang nasa panaginip ko. Sana'y masabi ko sa'yo ang nakatagong lihim ko. Ikaw ang tanging dream boy ko.
Hi, baby General. Good evening, baby General.
Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, ano kaya ang nasa isip mo? Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream Boy, lagi kang nasa panaginip ko. Sana'y masabi ko sa'yo ang nakatagong lihim ko. Ikaw ang tanging dream boy ko. Mananatiling dream boy ko. Ikaw ang tanging dream boy ko. Oh, nakahabol ba pare?
Alright, thank you so much, Maring Lisa. Habol na habol.
Ano?
Ayan. Habol pa.
Sige, isa pa.
Marami
no?
pang mga sumakay, oh. Ihahatid pa natin yung mga sumakay.
Sige, isa pa.
Kaya, mag-extend pa tayo. Sige, habol ka pa, isa pa. Dream girl naman, dream girl. Hi, Rhea. Good evening. Hindi. Next time, kakanta na yan. Yung mga hindi kumakanta dito dati, ngayon kumakanta na. Hi, Dreadnought. Next time, paglasing na.
They say that you and I are reaching for too high. In a world
Sara
that's
Di Maukon.
we'd
Magandang
only
gabi.
just begun through the night.
Maring Beauty, mag-message ka paglasing ka para mag-ano ko. Bibiyahe tayo.
A love like yours and mine will stand the test of time. Like
Araw-araw yung
rivers
parang
to
nasa
the
mo.
sea, your love returns to me through the night. We hold each other tight forever. I'll be yours forever.
Say welcome
You're
naman sa Lisa.
mine forever. Di naman masyado, parang
Hi, single for life, my forever.
you will
Forever
be
single
the
man.
one
Welcome, Mare.
to fill my life,
Maring Pam, good evening.
to stand beside me. I will be the one, the
Kakanta na rin si
one
Maring
you
Single.
run to. You can
Good evening, mga singer daw.
forever. I'll be yours forever, and you're mine forever.
Ram Ram, good evening and welcome sa Big Minds PH
I'll
Bus
be
Line.
yours forever. You're mine.
Hi, Rena. Forever.
Forever.
Sabi ni Maring Single, magkanta na ka. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kakanta ka na? Yun ba yun?
Oo,
Magkanta na ka.
magkanta
Ayun,
na ka.
Sige. Sino nga pwedeng hiramin ng ano?
Yan, forever. Paring Melo. Ano ba yan? Si paring Melo ba yun?
Melo?
Melo.
Forever. Dancer. Dancer pala si Maring Single. Sige. Sayaw ka, Mare, habang kumakanta si Maring Lisa.
Hindi. Pero
Akala mo.
sumasayaw ako. Hoy, kantaan ako.
Sige, sayaw.
Hoy, sister.
Ayan na.
Hoy, sister ko yan. Sumasayaw ko.
In real life.
Sumasayaw yan.
Real life.
Kararating lang namin Di mo nalala ang aking nadarama. Iniis. Namamatay yung internet ko, pare.
At iniwan ka ng net. At bakit?
Ika, sister. Umakyat ka kasi, sister, eh. At minamahal kita noong araw pa ay inibig na kita, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco. Bawat kilos mo pag nagsasayaw ka na, forma, ang galing mong magdala, bagong talaga, lahat napapalingon,
Hangang-hanga ng internet mo'y naputol.
Pare, kasi superstar ka na ngayon. La la la. Matulog ka na Mr. Disco, mahal kita. Shabada, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man.
Hi, Jenny. Good evening.
Disco, Mr. Disco Man.
Mare,
Pwede ka ba makapiling sa aking pagsasayaw? Shabada, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Lagi kong pinapangarap ang ika'y makasama. Sayaw, sister, sayaw. Sila yung kasama ko, kararating ko lang. Ako rin, kakapasok ko lang. Matod na kasi. Huwag mo ko patulogin, hinintay nga nila ako.
Ay, si Barry Lover, napapasayaw na.
Bawat kilos mo, pag nagsasayaw ka na, forma, ang galing mong magdala, bagyong talaga, lahat mapapalingon, hangang-hanga, superstar ka na ngayon, la la la. Mr. Disco, mahal kita, shabada, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Pwede ka bang makapiling sa aking pagsasayaw? Shabada, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Lagi kong pinapangarap ang ika'y makasama. Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Pwede ka bang makapiling sa aking pagsasayaw? Shabada, Mr. Disco, Mr. Disco Man. Disco, Mr. Disco Man.
Hi, Jan. Good evening.
Pare,
Hey!
okay na.
Alright, thank you so much,
Oh.
Maring Lisam.
Nakasayaw ka, sister?
Nakapantulog na ako, paano ko sasayaw?
Oo.
Pwede mag-last song?
Takin dito, doon ka umarana.
Oh, wow,
Sa'yo
Papa
ito,
Cupido ka yata?
Home to town. Good
Papa
evening,
Cupido
home
ka,
to.
sister?
Hindi, malay mo na ano si Mr. Cupido, di ba?
Wow, single, ready to mingle.
Wow.
Wow.
This is for you guys.
Okay, Kuya Arn.
Kuya,
Go, go,
tumingin ka
go.
lang sa camera. Kuya, ilan to? Alright, Harold S, good evening. Akit ka. Request ka bago tayo mag, ano.
I will love you always. And I
Thank you so much, Harold S.
promise I'll give you the best. My love, you mean more than life to me. I love you more than
Request ka lang, Hara.
can say. You'll be
Ayun, si Maring Single for Life. Single for Life.
that I love always.
Siya yung kasama kong gumala, pare.
Maring
To
Beauty Basics.
cherish
Ah, okay.
how you close
Order food you love with
to me and hold you endlessly. And be the girl in my heart always. Para sa kanya to.
Hi guys, good evening. Welcome sa Big Finds PH Past Line 109.1.
And there's nothing
Oy, paring Jackson.
want more. I need you.
You need me.
I need to have you in my life.
Thanks so much, Maring Single for Life.
I want you always.
Bukas po ulit. Isang ikot lang itong ating tig-isang kanta na lang tayo gagarahin.
Always whisper this word to me.
And thank you po.
And we will always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life.
Gretchen, good evening.
Every moment of you. Hope you're having fun, guys.
Yeah, always. As always.
Sumasabit yung mani.
Okay lang yan. Mas mahirap pag yung hotdog.
I want to give you all my love, my heart, my soul.
Sumabit nga rin yung ano ko yung rice cake
Everything.
Malagkit yung pare. Sasabi ko.
Oh, rice cake at kimchi, anghang-anghang. Astrid Felipe online, good evening and welcome. Kahit tayo pagarahin na welcome pa rin, laging welcome.
Love you.
Paring lover, it's your turn. Last song. Yan, Kuya Arn. Thank you so much. Hi, Diva Marie. O, diba? 9:46. Nabot na tayo ng ano, mag-alas 10.
Gusto mo pa hot pot? Meron pa dito.
Ay ako, busog na ako. Nandyan ka.
Sa buhay natin mayroong isang mamahalin, sasambahin. Sa buhay natin mayroong isang bukod tangis sa lahat at ibigin ng tapat, ngunit sa tila sa pagkakataon, parang kay ilalaro anak ko, may ibang kilala at sa unang pagkikita may tunay na pag-ibig na nadarama. Bakit ba hindi ka naalala na ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala na ako'y nag-iisa? Sino ang ibigin? Ikaw sana.
Iwanan ka niya. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Mayroon ako nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong?
O, diba?
Alam mo ba, matagal
Ramdam na ramdam mo ba yan?
matagal na akong
Ano yun? Ano yun, Mare? Hi, boy. Good evening.
ngunit mayroon ka na ibang pinamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo napansin, kung gano'n pa
Ice
man
cream.
nais kong malaman mo.
Gawing-gabi, ice cream.
Ang puso
Ayoko, bukas na. Abot mo dyan sa camera para lumabas sa iba.
umiibig sa'yo kahit na nagdurugo.
Hi, Mami Queen. Good evening. Welcome. Ayan, Maring Nix.
Iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
Duguan talaga, Maring Jo.
Dito ako,
Talaga ba yan, Mr. Lover?
kahit na
Talaga
durugo.
feel na feel mo yung kanta mo, Mr. Lover, parang lover.
Pampatulog talaga yan.
Huwag kang mag-alala.
Hi, chat. Hello. Good evening.
Nandito ako.
Nandito lang naman daw si Maring Nix. Abangan ka ni Maring Jo sa kanto. Wala ka. Masyado kang mapanakit daw.
Sigurado may nagpipis-ball doon pare.
Sinong ibig
May kwek-kwek doon. Huwag kang bibili ng kwek-kwek. Abangan ka nila.
Sinong
May na-miss daw tuloy bigla si Maring Jo. Sabi ni Maring Maring Eds. Sobrang sakit na naman. Punta ka na ng banyo. Baka para lumabas na yan. Ano bang sakit, Maring Jo? Takbo na. Alright, thank you so much, Parin Lover.
Buti hindi naaari yan.
Ha?
Buti hindi naaari ang mama na yan.
Oo,
Masyadong
ang dami
mapanakit
sinasaktan.
Ang dami nasasaktan. Naawa ka naman sa mga busmate mo.
Kaya ko pa kayang kumanta. Busog.
Grabe ka, paring lover. Thank you so much.
Mag-last song din ako sa si Maring Lisa. Last song na din. Tingnan ko kung kaya lang to.
Open cam, everyone.
I'm staring out into the night, trying to hide the pain. I'm going through the place where love and feeling good don't never cost a thing. And the pain you feel is a different kind of pain. And I'm going home to the place where I belong, where your love has always been enough for me. Not running from, no, I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I chose for me. But it's places in those places I get it on. Well, I'm going home. Well, I'm going home. The nights are getting longer, it seems. The closer I get to you, I've always been the best man, a friend for you, but your love it makes true, and I don't know why. But you always seem to give me another try. So I'm going home to the place where I belong, where your love has always been enough for me. I'm not running from, no, I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I chose for me. But it's places in those places we're getting on. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause you just might get it all. You just might get it all. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause you just might get it all. You just might get it all. to the place where I belong, where your love has always been enough for me. Never running from, no, I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I just was me. There's places in this places are getting on. Say there's places in this places are getting on. So I'm going home. I'm going home.
Kay sarap, sarap na handong pagmamahal na ubod ng lambing. Ito ngayon lang nadama ng puso ko damdamin. O kilig ko, sana'y huwag magbago itong pag-ibig at pagsuyo mo, pagkat ang buhay kong ito ay sadyang laan para sa'yo. Ikaw, mahal, tanging ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa sa buhay ko na kay lungkot at kay tagal na kurusa. Ang puso ko'y lumulukso sa tuwa pagkapiling ka. Kapag ikaw ay nawala, ayoko nang mabuhay pa.
Hi, church.
Kay sarap, sarap namang damhin pagmamahal na ubod ng lambing. Ito ngayon lang nadama ng puso ko't at damdamin.
Hi, good evening.
Ikaw, mahal, tanging ikaw ang nagbigay ng pag-asa sa buhay ko na kay lungkot at kay tagal na durusa.
Thank you so much.
Ang puso ko'y lumulukso sa tuwa pagkapiling ka. Kapag ikaw ay nawala, ayoko nang mabuhay pa.
Tayo pagkarahin na Maring Saudi.
O kilig ko, sana'y huwag magbago itong pag-ibig at pagsuyo mo, pagkat ang buhay kong ito ay sadyang laan para sa'yo. Salamat mga pare, mga mare.
Thank you so much. Alright, paano yan mga busmates ko, mare and pare? talagang gagarahin na kasi maaga pang gising bukas. Ayun. At ayan ang mga busmates. Dahan-dahan na tayo huminto sa terminal. Maraming salamat sa pagsakay sa biyahe natin tonight.
Bawat sandali na tayo'y nagkasama.
Kahit saglit, kahit matagal, malaking bagay yan.
May saya.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumama sa ating biyahe. Kahit yung mga nakisakay. Yan.
Salamat sa
Thank you so much everyone.
sa suporta niyo.
And good night. Makakatulog na tayo. Si Kuya Arn, inaantok na rin eh. Kung nag-enjoy ka, don't forget to follow at i-share ang Big Pines PH bus line para sa susunod na biyahe. Sabay-sabay ulit tayo. Pagpatak ng alas 6, minsan mga 6:30 or 7 tayo nag-start. Hanggang dapat alas 9 lang tayo ngayon eh, pero umabot ng alas 10, di ba? Napakahaba ang biyahe.
Quick ending line.
Remember, hindi kailangan perfecto ang araw mo, basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Diba?
Salamat sa biyahe. Good
Ako ang inyong mamang driver,
pala.
Vic. At ito ang biyahe na may kwentuhan at good vibes lang. Ingat sa lahat, mga busmates, mare pare hanggang sa susunod na sakay. Bukas, same time, same bus, same driver, di ba? Same vibes.
Na biyahe tayo'y muli.
Night, everyone.
Ay, yung mga wala nang gagawin, matulog na rin ng maaga. Kasi sigurado may mga gagala pa dyan.
Maaga pa ba yan?
Hi, Sweet Rose. Thank you so much. And always remember, God is good all the time. Good night, everyone. Sabi ni Maring Nix. Yes.
Amen.
Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe tayo'y muling magkikita. Hindi ito paalam. Sandali lang.
O, di ba? Hindi ako nag-lag. Effective yung Effective
Galing
yung
ng sound card mo
router.
yun, pare. Ano yan? Bago ba yan?
Quick ending.
Oo, kasi ilang araw akong lagi na
Baka
lang
nagbayad
blackout.
ka ng net mo.
Hindi, sa router. Router talaga kasi panahon pa ni kupong yung router ko dito sa na ginagamit eh.
Try mo repeater.
Ano eh.
Lapit
Hindi,
mo sa'yo.
bumili ako ng TP-Link na AX23. Kaya ang speed ko ngayon ay 300 to 400 Mbps. Mas mataas pa dun sa binabato ni Converge.
Sana.
Nice. So, ayan, sana all. Kaya mo yan. Yan. Paano? Sabay-sabay na tayong bumaba.
Nice,
Good night,
guys.
everyone.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, bukas. Parang slang na si Kuya Arna.
Okay
Kuya
lang.
Arn, slang na. Tulog na tayo. Sige, good night. 5,
Dito pare,
4,
dito tayo, baba.
3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.